truck.
10-4.
Made it in. Road sucked. Trees down there. We were talking about telephone poles snapping.
South Street.
We're running a tandem tonight.
And it's probably down.
Obviously, we're laying down.
Almost.
But that's what I get to look at in the truck.
All the trees are bent over in there. It's
Pitch black in here. No gauges, no nothing. Oh well. I'll get through. Alright, guys. Get back in a few and see what's up. Here goes a RMLD truck, checking the wires. Get back to you guys in a few. Alright, so here we are running tandem. First storm of the year is now October 30th. Between 1:30 2 o'clock in the morning. It's my old plow partner in front of me. I plow with him for like the first, say 8-9 years anyways, at least. But now he's all alone, I'm all alone, and back together, understand. So he'll go make the first pass, and I'll come in behind him and clean it up, tuck it in the gutter. A lot of trees down, a lot of damage. Sorry about the bounce in the camera, but you can't really help it.
Yeah, can we meet up with you?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we're still going to head to South Street. Equipment from West. That's all. Aaron, when's the storm up there? Would you?
Alright guys, so I didn't read that, but just at 2 o'clock. Still running the tandem. Had a bit of a scare. Had a wire come down, went across both trucks. The truck in front of me took it up the line, and came right down, right across my truck. Never good. Maybe a little bit of a scare, but it came off at both ends, so all's good. Damage is just ridiculous. On the CB, the two-way communication to that trucks, and fire department's calling us, telling us about power lines down here and there and everywhere. We actually ran out of what we call portions, these little roadblocks, block off the road. There was so many down, I mean, they had telephone poles that were snapping. Stuff is wet and heavy. Well, we'll keep pushing. You know, they'll say if you eat the lead dog, if you never change it all. I think that's the truth. That's what I've been looking at all night, the back of him. The darkness in my cockpit. But oh well, what are you going to do? Ain't bad till we see anything good. Alright, boys and girls, it is now, focus, 4:04 in the morning, and the guy I was riding with finished up. He had to go out and do something else, and we finished our route, so we went out on our second route with another driver. And we're going to do a little, that stuff coming off of there. How well I couldn't see it coming off, but I love about tandem. You can throw this stuff. It is wet and heavy. Show you how fast I'm going, but I can't. Probably doing about, I don't know, 15.
19 a base.
But
go ahead. Scotland Road between Hillcrest and West Street, we can't get through.
So,
what's about? multiple large branches blocking the road. Any wires involved? No, just large stuff. And how between what? West and Hillcrest. And what? Yeah, I'm going to try to get around here to 60 and you can turn around.
Okay, this is actually the other end of the route that I was doing. Going in, fueled up, met up with another guy, another driver. Out here slamming it out. These wires, how low these wires are.
Highway 5 to base.
Ridiculous.
We can't get down Criterion, there's a low hanging wire. Is it electrical? Yep.
You just see when you're plowing. Weight of the snow tipped over this high tension wire. Now of course the wires are dead, or I wouldn't be standing this close, especially in the snow, but had a street light on it. But wires come up, down, out on the road. What a mess. They said it's obviously dead, or I wouldn't be standing here. A street light on it. Snapped it. The weight of the snow just absolutely snapped it. Just that little teeny tree on it, which is nothing.
Hard Broadway said. It was a burn a moment thing. Saying what up to the Mr. Bob show. We're here in Reading, Mass. Looking at Forest Glen Cemetery, getting ready to bury a stiff. Got my man Fat Boy Bob running the camera as usual. Oh, this motherfucker? You don't want to know who this motherfucker is. You ever see that show, Willy Wonka? The motherfucker that fell into the lake? You know that chocolate? He's back. Compass loop in the hazy. You little Frankie. Big bad.
Isn't that kid from the Wax channel?
What?
The Wax channel?
The Wax?
Yeah. Don't you work at Yankee Candle?
No, you got it all wrong. He supplies Yankee Candle. They pay him for the best wax from all the U.S.